Okay. Okay, and everyone try to give the test, all the forthcoming test in offline mode. Okay. Even if it's a 1 hour test, okay, try to give it offline. Only for 6 7 months you have to come offline on only on the test, only during the test. Okay, try to come offline. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, because uh, nowadays I'm getting many warnings when you people are attempting the test. Okay, I have a full log. There are people who are changing tabs. I won't take the names currently. Yes, tell me.
So in the last test, even when I wasn't clicking outside the tab, all of a sudden a warning would come that the test owner has been notified.
Sir, when I opened my mic also, then also the warning came.
Ah,
Yes, the
you
It
open
same
your
happened a
like
lot.
in
why?
the
Why
mains
not?
test also it was happening.
If you are speaking something, okay, that means it actually senses that you are speaking to someone and uh, asking for the answers or anything. Okay.
No, but for me, even without like clicking on the mic or anything, it happened two times, I think. Just
See,
without doing anything, it showed a
see,
warning.
3 4 warnings are considerable. I'm not talking about 3 4 warnings. There are people with 70 warnings, 60 warnings also. Okay, I won't take the name. Okay. I've talked to their parents already. Okay. So it's high time you people come offline also, okay, for the test. Okay. 3 4 warnings are okay. Okay. That is considerable. Okay. Like 3 4 warnings, it can happen that by mistake it has happened. Okay.
So, sir,
But
we can give the test in Tarathon also.
yes, you can give the test in Taratala also. Okay. But you have to inform me before. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
only not even 1 year, 6 7 months are left. Try to give all the forthcoming tests in the offline mode. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Next. So last day we were doing functions. I had given some homework questions. Sarthak, what happened? You didn't give. I mean, you
So
didn't.
I was going through the videos. So once I complete it, I will send it to you.
Okay. Let's see. Question number one. Okay, I'll start with the first one. Okay, question. The first one is this one is elemental zero, right? Everyone, you people got elemental zero. Very easy. Next, tan of fraction. I think this is 0 to 1, right? Fractional part of x. This is 0 to 1. Zero closed.
One
One will
open.
be open. Yes. This one is 1 comma root 2. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
1 comma root 2. Next one. This one is 0 to 1. I don't remember the
Sir,
answer.
I got 1 to 2. 1 to 2
1
closed.
to 2. 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Close. Close. This one is minus infinity comma 2. Union
Closed,
6
union
comma
6
infinity.
closed, comma infinity.
6 comma infinity. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. One part one, two, 3, and 4. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Next. 3 to infinity. This one is 3 to infinity. Okay. Next. Over here 2x plus 1. Remainder is 2x plus 1. Next. Over here. This one is not identical, I guess. What is it? Not
Sir,
identical.
identical. Domain is same and f of x equal to g of x.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait,
Check
I
it
have to
once.
check. Okay, everyone, try to come offline for the test as far as it is possible. Okay, even if it's a 1 hour test, only 6 7 months are left. Okay, Mimel, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to make it offline for the test if it's possible. Okay, as far
Okay,
as
sir.
possible, try to come offline for the test. Okay, you have option at Baliganj also. Okay, if you want to come at Baliganj for the test, then also I'll give you an option. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This one is identical. Next one is identical. Part 3. This one is not identical. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, tell me. Next one, part 4. Part 4, not identical. Okay, next. Part 5 identical. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. Okay, next. Number 6, range. See, it came in mains 2025. 194. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. 194. Next. E to the power x minus x. 1, 1. Next one is many 1. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. This one is many 1. Anyone can understand. So next one. Next one, what you people got?
So can you solve this question?
This one was given bonus in JEE. Can anyone tell me why? I gave this question just for you people to understand why it was given bonus. Tell me. Okay, tell me. There is a reason I gave this question. You people tell me why this question was given as bonus in JEE. Anyone raise your hand and tell me. Can anyone tell me? Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds time. Then after that, I'll tell you why this question was given bonus in JEE. Tell me. Okay, I'm telling you everyone, pay attention. Because you see, what is the range? What is the domain? Sorry, codomain. What is the codomain of the function? Open,
0
open,
to
0 to
infinity.
infinity. Right, everyone? The codomain is open, open, 0 to infinity. But what is the range? The range of the function is close 0 to infinity. You see, when you substitute x equal to 1, f of x will be equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. F of 1 is equal to 0. Can you people identify?
Yes,
So
sir.
the range is 0 to infinity. Range becomes a superset of codomain, which is not possible, right? Tell me everyone. This is not possible. So that is why it is not defined as a function. Okay, now if you modify the question, let us modify it. If you modify the question to f maps 0 to infinity to close 0 to infinity, then the function is defined. Are you people getting? Tell me everyone. Nemil or Nini Devang, are people getting? This is
Yes.
number. This is number 8. Okay. So now if you modify this, close 0 to infinity, now this becomes, now the question becomes correct. Acha, so should I solve, Socrates?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Socrates, you can understand range is equal to codomain. Okay, so the function is surjective, right?
On top. Yes, sir.
This much it is okay.
Hmm.
Acha, we need to understand if the function is 1, 1 or not. Acha, it is a mod function. So how can it be 1, 1? It has to be not injected into, sorry, 1, 1, many 1. So
Many
answer is
one
option
onto
D.
function. Hmm.
Yes. Is it clear? It's a
Yes, sir.
mod function. It's fine. Okay, number 9. F maps R to R. Pay attention. First one is many 1 into. Many 1 into. Next, many 1 into. Next, f of x equal to x cube. 1, 1 on 2. Next, 1, 1 on 2. Number 5, 1, 1 on 2. Number 6, many 1 on 2.
Second is solve part 6.
Part 6.
Hmm.
Okay, so Socrates, f of x equal to sine 2x. We need to draw the function from -1 to 1 to -1 to 1. Right. Acha, first of all, you can understand that it is an onto function. Range is -1 to 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to draw the function. This is question number 11, I guess. What is it? Question number 9. 9 part 6. No, part 6. So 9 part 6, pay attention. Okay. So I'm going to draw the function from -1 to 1. Acha, but this is -1. This is 1. At what value of x it will reach its maximum? Tell me. At what
So
value of x will it reach its maximum?
pi by 4.
Pi by 4? Pi by 4 is greater than 1 or less than 1?
So less than 1.
Less than 1, it will lie over here. Minus pi by 4 is greater than -1. So between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, okay, between minus pi by 4 and pi by 4, this is how the graph is going to look like. Right, Socrates, tell me.
Yes, sir.
And after that, what will happen? It will go down, right?
Hmm.
Up to 1. So will you be able to find a horizontal line which will cut the graph at two distinct points? Tell me. At least two
No, sir.
distinct points.
No, 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 no.
No? Why not? See, there exists, isn't it? Tell me, Socrates. Can you understand? After reaching
But
maximum, it will come down, right?
so there will
It,
be a maxima for
there will be a
both these
maximum.
graphs.
See, maxima and minima both.
Minimum, both will be there. Okay.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, many one on two. Option B, number 10. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. You can ask me now. Okay. Tell me, Sarthok, Andrini, Memel, Raktim, tell me if you have any doubt. Devang,
No, sir.
Shomita, tell me if you have
Uh,
any doubt.
No, sir.
The next one is number 11 is what type of function? Okay, 1, 1 on 2. Okay, number 12. Both are true. You have to check which statements are true or false or something. Both are true. Next. Okay, see, this came in JEE Advanced 2024. Very easy. One solution.
That will be -1.
Yes. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Option A, 14. 14 is option A. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Okay, over here, I guess the answer was 19. 19, I guess. I guess the
Yes, sir.
answer is
19.
19.
Yes, sir. 19.
19. Okay, let me check. Yes, the answer is 19 over here. Over here, -7 by 4.
So 10 so 15.
so we cancel 15.
15. Okay. So let A equal to,
Yes.
yes, Raktim, A equal to ABC, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements in set C, F maps A to B such that 2 belongs to F of A and F is not 1, 1. 2 belongs to F of A and F is not 1, 1. So over here, there are two methods to solve. Method 1, pay attention. Method 1. This is number, how much? 15. 15, yes. So case 1, there can be one case. It has to be many one, right? 2 belongs to F of A, 2 should belong to the range. So Raktim and Sarthok, there can be one possibility. Right. This is one of the possibility. Tell me how many such
Yes,
functions are
sir.
there? Tell me what is the number of functions in this case? Tell me, Raktim, what is the number of functions in this case?
So can you show the question once?
Uh, Forget about the question. I've drawn the mapping. Tell me the number of functions. Over here, I mean, you won't require to see. I mean, you won't require to see the question. Tell me how many such
So
functions
one
are possible?
possible.
All are mapped to two. So one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sarthak, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, there can be another case. Case two. That is, two of the elements are mapped to another element. We don't know. Let us say X among 1, 3, 4, and one of the element is mapped to 2. Or it can happen that one of the element is mapped to X and two of the element are mapped to 2. Tell me, is it clear, Raktim? So can you
Yes, sir.
understand that we have to make a group of two, one containing two elements, another containing one element. Are you getting?
3C2 or 3C1.
So number of ways to make the group will be how much?
3C2 or 3C1.
Yes, number of ways to form two groups will be how much? 3C2, right? 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
we have to select one element, that is X, out of 1, 3, or 4. Number of ways to select X. Number of ways to select X will be how much? 3C1. Yes or no? Next, after that, we need to arrange. Number of ways to arrange two groups will be how much? Or you can say there are two cases, will be equal to 2 factorial. So number of functions in this case will be how much? Tell me. 3C2
So
into
3C1
3C1
into 2
into 2 factorial. This will
into
give
2
us how much?
factorial.
18. So what is the total number of functions? Total number of functions will be equal to
So
18
19.
plus 1, 19. Next, method 2. Okay, method 2, what over here what I'm going to do is, from the total number of functions where 2 was included, I subtract those functions, those 1 functions where 2 was included. Understood? Raktim, from the total number of functions where 2 was included, I'm going to subtract those functions uh, uh, where 2 was included. Okay? Acha, what is the total number of
Yes,
functions?
sir.
Tell me. In this case, what is the total number of functions? Tell me. Raktim, there are 3 elements in
So,
set A and 4 elements in set B. How many functions are there? Tell me.
so 1 second, sir.
1 second.
So 4 to the power 3.
4 to the power 3, right? Okay.
Yes,
So what
sir.
is the number of 1 functions? If I want to find out the number of one, Sarthak, tell me what is the number of 1 functions? In this case, there are 3 elements in set A and 4 elements in set B. Tell me what is the number of 1 functions?
So 3 to the power 2.
Okay, that means you haven't gone through the recording yet. Okay, Socrates, tell me how many 1
Sir, A
functions are
can
there?
take 4 values, then B can take 3 values, C can take 2 values. So 4 into 3 into 2, that is 24.
24, correct. Absolutely correct. Or you can say 4C3 into 3 factorial, that is 24. Very simple. Okay. So what is the number of many 1 functions? Devang, tell me what is the number of many functions? Tell me, Devang.
So 2 to the power n minus
Over here, tell me don't tell me 2 to the power n or something. Over here, tell me in this scenario, what is the number of 1 function, many 1 functions? Tell me. Maybe you tell me what is the number of many one functions in this scenario? What happened? You people are not studying at home, I guess. Shomita,
Set 4, set 3 to the power
Sir,
4.
3 to
4
the power
cube
4.
minus
See,
24. 4 cube
you're,
minus 24.
you're asking me or telling me?
Sir, telling.
Telling, right? Okay. 64 minus 24. If the total number of one functions is 24, so from the total number of functions, we will subtract the number of one functions to get number of many one functions, isn't it? We have done this so many times. 40. Okay. Acha, number of ways 2 is included. In how many ways can you include 2? Number of ways 2 is included in any in one functions. Okay. Will be equal to 3 cube. Right. Why 3 cube? Because 3 cube represents the total number of functions in which 2 is included. 3 cube represents the total number of functions in which 2 is included. Okay. How? Because over here, A has how many options? I mean, 2 has how many options? 2 has 3 options, and the rest of them have three options. So 3 cube.
So can I
Okay.
say something?
Yes, tell me.
Number of ways, isn't this equal to the number of ways in which 2 is not included? Because we're not excluding 2 from the codomain or the range set. We're left with 3 values. So then A can take 3 values, B can take 3 values, C can take 3 values, giving 27.
But I know, I understood. Okay. Means you are not including 2, right?
Yes, like number of ways in which 2 is not included, that also, I mean,
Hi.
that will be
Wait,
27
wait,
actually.
wait, wait, wait,
Yes,
wait, wait. Wait, excluded. My bad.
yes, yes, yes.
3 cube,
So can
27.
you explain why it is 3 cube?
2 is excluded. So you have one less option, right?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
So A will have 3 options, B will have 3 options, C will have 3 options. So 3 cube. Yes, my bad. Number of ways 2 is excluded will be 3 cube. Okay. Next, among this, what is the number of one functions? Number of one function will be 3 cube minus 3 factorial. That is 21. Sorry. 21. Okay, so what is the required number of function in which 2 is included? Therefore, the number of functions where 2 belongs to f of a,
3 factors would be for 1.
1. Oh, yes. Number of one function where 2 was not included. Wait. Yes. Okay. So total number of functions where 2 belongs to f of a will be 40 minus of 3 cube minus 3 factorial. This will also give us our answer. That is how much? 19. Tell me. Is it clear? Tell me.
So can you scroll up once?
Yes. How
Sir,
much?
here in the number of one functions, we have to multiply 3 factorial with 463.
I have arranged it. After selecting the 3 elements, you have to arrange also, right?
Okay, sir.
Or you understand it using box method. For the first element, how many choices are there? Tell me. There are 4 elements in set V. For
4.
the first element, how
Yes.
many choices are there?
4.
Second element,
3.
third
Then
element.
2. 2.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. So I hope everyone has understood this problem. Raktiv, is it clear? Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Number 17, the answer is 5050. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Number 18. 18 is 125. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. I'll explain. Number 19, the answer is given as 2n minus 1 by 2. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Next one, this sum we did it in class 9. We did it in class 10 also. Right? I hope you remember. The answer is 2880. We did it so many times. Over here, we needed to find out f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to half into, wait, let me write. F of x is equal to half into, wait, where is it? F of x is equal to half into something with x plus 1. Just give me 1 minute. 1 by 3, sorry. 1 by 3, 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. Tell me. Anyone having any
You can
doubt, you can
solve
ask me.
this.
This one. Okay. F of x minus 1, 2 into f of x minus 1 minus f of 1 minus x by x. This is equal to x. Okay, let us start. Okay. First of all, if I replace x minus 1 by x, what are we getting? Tell me. If we replace x minus 1 by x, what do we get?
2 into f of x
2 into f of x minus f of
minus x or minus 1.
minus 1 minus f of minus 1. This will be equal to how much?
X minus 1.
I have replaced x minus 1 by x. Na? So
Also,
x plus
x,
1.
Plus one.
x plus
X plus
1.
1. Can you understand? Now my task is to find out f of minus 1. So over here, if I substitute 0, will I get f of minus 1? But then we need to find out f of 1 also. Okay. So 2 into f of x minus f of minus 1 is equal to x plus 1. So over here, if I substitute 0, what do we get? Oh no, we cannot substitute 0. Okay. Anyways, I think we should substitute something else. Okay. Let us replace x by 1 by x because x is there in the denominator. Acha, what is this? 2 into f of x minus 1 minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Oh yes, we need to replace it by 1 by x. Replace x by 1 by x. What do we get? Okay, we'll get 2 into f of 1 by x minus 1. 2 into f of 1 by x minus 1 minus f of 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 minus, wait, let me see. 1 minus 1 by x. Wait, x by 1 by x. So this will become x minus 1. This will be equal to how much? 1 by x. Okay. Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so I think I've got two equations and two variables. Okay, 2 into f of x minus 1 and over here. Okay, so let us multiply the first equation by 2 and then add. What are we getting? We are going to get 3 into f of x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1 by x. Tell me, are you getting, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3 into f of x minus 1. So what is f of x minus 1? F of x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 within brackets 2x plus 1 by x. Now tell me, what should I place in x so that I'll get f of x? Tell me. We should replace x minus 1 by y. What are we
Yes.
getting? F of y will be equal to x equal to 1 plus y. So 1 by 3 into 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. Tell me, is it
So
clear?
x plus 1 or y plus 1?
Y plus. Okay. Is it clear? And y
Yes,
is a
sir.
dummy variable. You can replace y by anything. Okay. Next. See, similar kind of question. Just now we did, right? It came in mains 2025. Over here, the answer is given as, let me see. Similar kind of question, everyone. 151. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. And last one is 18. Tell me, anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think we can continue. What was the last thing we did? Okay, composite functions we have started, right? Range of GOG started. Okay.
Sir, can you once summarize whatever you have taught of composite functions? I couldn't go through only this part of the recording.
Composite functions of uniformly and non-uniformly defined functions, everyone. Okay. Let us say f maps A to B and G maps B to C be two functions, then the function g of f maps A to C. Of course, when we are taking g of f of x, okay, you are substituting first of all the elements of set A. Then over here we can say you can substitute all the elements from set B. Okay, I mean you should get the elements of set B. Okay, and g of set B should give us set C. Are you getting Socrates? When g
So,
of
sir,
f,
if it is g of f of x, so the set of input for the function g of x is are the elements from set B, right? So shouldn't it be B to C?
yes, but it is defined from A to C now because you are substituting x.
X.
X is
Okay.
taken
Right.
from
Right. Right.
set A. Okay, input is taken from set A. G of f of x, g of f maps A to C is defined by g of f of x is equal to g of f of x. G f of x for all x belongs to A is called the composite of two functions. And diagrammatically, this can be represented like this. You see, first of all, you are putting the input on f. Okay, then f of x should be from set B, and then f of x is being given as the input in g of x. Then you are getting the output g of f of x. I've given some examples. Suppose g of x is equal to root 2 minus x. G of x will be equal to g of root 2 minus x, which is equal to root over 2 minus root 2 minus x. Right. And like this, we can find out the domain range, everything. Is it clear, Socrates?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So we can do some problems, everyone. Okay. Based on composite functions, we haven't done any problem. Let us do some problems. Okay. Question number 1. If f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to x minus 7, find the value of number 1, g of f, number 2, f of g, number 3, g of g, number 4, f of f. Solve. Next, question number 2. If f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n, and g of x is equal to f of f of f of f of dot composite of f n times find g of x. Next, question number 3. If f of x is equal to x square minus 2x, find the number of real roots of. Find the number of real roots of Real roots of f of f of f of f of x equal to 3. Solve. Quickly solve, everyone. 4 times. 4 times. Yeah, first one, everyone will get it correct. Let me see. Sarthak, write all the answers. Yes, these are correct only. Devang, yes, all your answers are correct.
Sir, for the third question, how many f ofs are there? Four f ofs.
Third questions, 4.
Okay.
Sarthak, third and fourth part is correct. Raktim, all your answers are correct. Onini, all your answers are correct. Shomita, check the second part and the first part. Check all of them except part 4. Part 4 is correct. Read the question properly. Shomita, over here, this is x minus 7. Socrates, all your answers are correct. Memel, send your answer quickly.
Sir, is the third one correct?
Okay, Memel, check the third one. Sarthak, check the third one. Shomita, Shomita, the last answer which you sent, it's the answer of which question?
Number 3.
Number 3. Acha, 2 is also correct. 3 is also correct. Shamita, can you send me the full solution of number two? Number two.
Yes.
Okay. Devank, number two is correct. Socrates, number two is correct. Check number three.
I have not sent to number 3. That is the question number for the second one.
Oh, acha, I thought that is the answer of three. Okay, maybe I'll read question number one properly. Check number three. Sarthak, Sarthak, check two and three. Okay, I'm going to solve everyone. Number one, pay attention. Okay, so maybe pay attention. Number one, they have asked G of f. So what is G of f? G of f will be equal to G of f of x. Now, what is f of x? F of x is equal to x minus 7, which is equal to G of x minus 7. G of x minus 7 will be equal to how much? X minus 7. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. G of x. No, wait a minute. It was G of f of x, no? G of x square then. G of x square will be equal to x square minus 7. Are you getting? Memel?
Yes, sir.
Memel number 2. F of g. F of g will be equal to f of g of x. F of g of x will be equal to f of x minus 7. F of x minus 7 will be equal to x minus 7 whole square. Next, number 3. Number 3 is f of, what is it? G of g. Okay, g of g will be equal to g of g of x. G of g of x will be equal to g of x minus 7, which is equal to x minus 7 minus 7, which is equal to x minus 14. Tell me, are you getting Memel?
Yes, sir.
And f of
Sir,
f
repeat it again.
hmm, is equal to x square whole square, which is equal to x to the power 4. Done. Okay. Part 2, I'm solving everyone. Part 2, f of x is given as x by 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Okay. So let us take the composite only twice. Okay, everyone, pay attention. Let us take the composite only twice. Okay, first of all, f of f will be equal to f of x, which is equal to f of x by 1 plus x to the power n, f of x by 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n, which is equal to x by 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. The whole thing is divided by 1 plus, okay, x to the power n upon 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Right, tell me. Only Memel, Sarthak, are people getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Shaumita, can you hear me?
Yes.
But how can you be absolutely sure that the pattern continues? You have taken the composite twice. That also you wrote it directly. See?
So can you show the third question?
Shaumita? I cannot understand. Seriously. How have you written that the pattern continues? Second line,
So
I
like
mean, how?
let y equals to fx, then when it is f of x, then it is
Oh, you
y by,
substituted. Okay,
yes.
okay. Okay, I understood. I understood that part. Okay. After that, what did you do? You wrote pattern continues. So f to the power kx is equal to x by 1 plus kx to the power n whole to the power 1 by n, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is, Why it is k over here?
Like if I continuously do it like f to the power 1, then f to the power 2, then f to the power 3, and then I considered it till f to the power k.
Okay, you do it up to 8 to the power 3 whole x. You take composite thrice and show it to me. Okay, Shamita, I'm waiting.
Yes.
Take composite thrice and show it to me. Send. Let me see what are you getting. And mute yourself. Okay, Socrates, check your answer again. This is how I've taught you to take the composite, Shamita. This is how I've taught you to take the composite. So, Shamita, can you hear me?
Yes.
Shamita, again, I'm asking you. F2x. Why it is x by 1 plus 2x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Why it is so? Tell me. Why? What is the reason behind it? Tell me.
Sir, I did it by taking like uh, y equals to fx, and then I did f of x, and I substituted and did.
This is going out of my head. I cannot understand only. I cannot understand. Simply, I cannot understand why it is why 2 will be multiplied over here or why n will be multiplied over here. Can you please explain 1 plus nx to the power n whole to the power 1 by n? Why n will be multiplied with x to the power n? Tell me. Explain. Whenever I do a sum, I explain each and every step, right?
Yes, sir.
I am also expecting the same from you. I want you to explain what is the reason behind the multiplication of 2 over there. Tell me. How it is coming over there? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Or is this some kind of a formula which I have not learnt yet? Tell me.
No, sir. Can I write and send it to you in picture?
Right and send. Right and send. Right and send. Yes, till then other people solve. Okay. Other people solve. Okay. I'm just waiting for number 2 and number 3 also. Some people solve. Okay. Who is solving for number 2? Okay. Wait. Okay. Again, Devang. Devang, can you hear me? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Devang. Devang, can you explain why 2 is coming over there? 2x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Tell me.
Sir, after the expansion part, can I show you
How?
the whole step
Yes.
once?
Yes. Show me the full
Okay,
step.
let me do the whole step.
Yes. No, Socrates, you are making some mistake. You do it step by step, you will understand.
Sir, I did stepwise only, and this is the what I'm getting at the end.
See, first of all, there can be some imaginary roots also, isn't it? There can be some double roots also, isn't it? Tell me, Socrates.
But how to separate them then?
Yes, this is what the question is, right? Otherwise,
Yes.
the question was very easy, isn't it? Keep on substituting, keep on substituting, keep on substituting, you will get the number of roots, isn't it? Tell me. That is what the
Yes, sir.
question makes tough. That is what makes the question tougher. Are you getting? Okay, Shomita, now it is fine. Okay.
Sir, I've sent you my zip process.
Yes, Devang, now it is fine. Yes, so everyone pay attention. Okay, so Shomita, like this, you have to show some steps, right? Cannot jump steps
Yes.
directly. Otherwise, how will I understand? Tell me. F of x will be equal to x by 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Again, so similarly, Shomita, can you write down the solution of the third one also and send in the same manner?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Same. Okay. This will become 1 plus x to the power n plus x to the power n upon 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Right. Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting?
Yes,
Sarthak, these two will get cancelled.
yes, sir.
You are going
One
to
plus
get x by 1 plus whole to the power 1 by n. Are you getting Sarthak? Okay. Taking f of x. Okay, what are we getting? We equal to.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello, can everyone hear me properly?
Sir, now it's muffled.
So voice is
Muffled.
cracking.
Voice is cracking. Wait, let me see. Hello, now is my voice okay? Tell me, can everyone hear me properly? Hello, is it still cracking?
Sir, now it's fine.
No, it's fine. Okay, okay. Okay, so what have we got? Okay, 1 plus 2x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Okay, this is nothing but x by 1 plus 2x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n divided by 1 plus 2x to the power n. 1 plus x by 1 plus 2x to the power n. This is x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Are you getting, Onini, are you getting this? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
This will become x by 1 plus 3x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Okay. So this is f of x. Okay. So similarly, if I go n times, similarly, after n times, after n times, what are we getting? F of up to f of x. This will be equal to what? X by 1 plus nx to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Tell me, is it clear, Onini?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Memel, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve the third one. Everyone solve. Let's see. But okay. Shomita, I'm asking you to send me the solution of number three. Okay, can you send me the solution of number three? You got it correct. I want to see how you got it
Yes.
correct. Okay. Yes, Shomita, did you send?
Yes, sir.
Where? I have not seen it. The third one. F of x is equal to x square minus 2x. This question. Shomita, quickly send so that I can solve. Okay, everyone, pay attention. Number three. Everyone. In number three, what is given, everyone? It is given that f of x. There are 4 times f of x. Okay, f of x equal to x square minus 2x. So what is f of x? So first of all, what I'm going to do is let y is equal to f of x. Okay, everyone. F of 3 times f of x. Okay, everyone. Let y is equal to 3 times f of x. Then what is the equation? Equation is f of y is equal to 3. Are you people getting? Tell me. This implies y square minus 2y is equal to 3. So what is the value of y? Tell me, everyone. What is the value of y? This implies y is, tell me. What is the value of y? Tell me, everyone. Y square minus 2y equal to 3. Hello. Are you people there?
Y can be -1 and
Minus 1 and
3.
3.
3. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the equation comes down to, now there will be two cases. One is we can solve for f of x equal to -1 and f of x for 3. Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting? Onini,
Yes.
Devang, are you people getting? Shomita, are you sending? Hello, Shomita. Are you sending the solution of number 3? She there. Okay, she has left. Okay. Anyways. Anyways, everyone pay attention. Triple f of x is equal to -1. Okay. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take,
So can you tell me why f of y is 3?
okay, pay attention. I took this as a triple f of x, right? I need to solve this equation, isn't it? F of y equal to 3. So what is f of y? F of y is equal to y square minus 2y equal to 3, isn't it? Tell me. Right, tell me. On any. My task is to solve this equation.
No, sir, but where did we get the 3 from?
That is given in the question only. In the question, it is written that we need to solve for x for this equation. When we need to find out the
Yeah,
number of.
that was the question. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So are you people getting? Sokrit, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Let f of x is equal to z. So over here, what are we getting? F of z is equal to -1. Over here, f of z is equal to 3. F of z is equal to -1 means z square minus 2z. is equal to -1. So from here, what is the value of z? Tell me. And over here, z square minus 2z is equal to 3. Z square minus 2z is equal to 3. This implies z is equal to -1, comma 3. That we have already solved. Tell me, in the first one, in the first case, what is the value of z?
1 is a possible value.
1 is the possible value.
One.
1 is the only value.
1 is the only possible. Yes, this is a perfect square.
Yes. Okay, so now we have got how many cases? 3 cases. Right, everyone? Now we have got 3 cases. One is for f of x is equal to 1, then f of x is equal to -1, and then f of x is equal to 3. Are people getting? Tell me. So from here, though, we'll get two values x equal to -1, comma 3. From here, we'll get one value x equal to 1. Right? Tell me, everyone. Oh, wait a minute, not x. From here, we'll get f of x equal to 1. From here, we'll get f of x equal to -1, comma 3. Okay. And from here, we'll get, okay, we have to solve. Okay, let us f of x is equal to k. So f of k is equal to 1. This implies k square minus 2k is equal to 1. So what is the value of k? Tell me, everyone. K equal to minus b, that is 2, plus minus root over b square, that is 4, plus 4 by 2. This will give us 1 plus minus root 2. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? So what have we finally got? F of x equal to 1 plus minus root 2, 1, -1 and 3. We need to solve the values. We need to find out the roots. I mean, we need to find out the values of x, for which f of x equal to 1 plus minus root 2, 1, -1 and 3. Okay. Now I'm going to plot the graph. After this, don't solve, everyone. Okay. After this, don't solve. Don't find out the values of x. After this, you just draw the graph. Okay. So tell me, what is the graph of x square minus 2x? How will it look like? Tell me, what are the roots of this graph? I mean, root zeros of this polynomial. Tell me. Hello. What are the zeros of this polynomial? Tell me. Am I audible, everyone?
-1.
Tell me, Sokrit, Sarthok, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you
So
tell
what are the
me
zeros of this polynomial? Tell me.
0 and 2.
0 and 2. Okay, what is the vertex of this parabola?
1 comma minus 1.
1 comma minus 1. Okay. Now let us draw this line. F of x equal to 1 plus 1. So f of x equal to 1. This will give us two roots. F of x equal to -1. Memel, are you getting? F of x equal to 1 will give us two roots. F of x equal to 3 will give us two roots. F of x equal to 1 plus root 2 will give us two roots. F of x equal to -1 will give us only one root. Right, tell me. And lastly, we have f of x equal to anything else. 1 minus root 2. Actually, tell me, f of x equal to 1 minus root 2 will be below 1 or above 1? Tell me. F of x equal to 1 minus root 2 will be below 1 or above 1? Tell me, anyone? Sarthak,
the below one?
Devang,
Below
below
1, sir.
1. Below -1 or above -1? I mean, over here or over here? Tell me, which line? Over here.
Sir, above
This is
minus 1.
case
Above
above
minus 1.
minus. Nah. So in total, how many roots we got? Tell me.
16.
16. How many intersection points are there? Devang?
8.
8.
Sorry, 8. Sorry.
8. But I'm getting something else. I got 9. I've got 9. The number of roots is equal to 9. Did you people understand this problem?
So we have to include the vertex also.
Why not? It is just touching, na? That also should be included.
Okay.
Okay, this kind of problems can come in JEE mains. Okay, tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Socrates, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Devang, Onini, Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
Memel,
Yes,
have
sir.
you understood?
Yes.
Okay, let us continue. Okay, everyone, let us continue with composite functions. Just give me 1 minute. Hmm. This was question number 3. Question number 4. Okay, question number 4, I'll be solving, everyone. Pay attention. Question number 4, I'll be solving. You people pay attention. F of x equal to max function. Okay, max function is also very common in PYQ. You see in JEE mains and advanced, max function has come a lot of times. Max of 1 plus sin x, comma 1, comma 1 minus cos x, and x belongs to 0, comma 2 pi. Okay, and g of x is equal to, just like there is a max function, there is a mean function also, minimum function. G of x equal to max of 1, comma mod of x minus 1. Okay, everyone, 1, comma mod of x minus 1 for all x belongs to R. Okay, now over here, then options are given. Option A, g of f of 0 is equal to 1. Option B, g of f of 1 is equal to 1. Option C, f of g of 1 is equal to 1. And option D, f of g of 0 is equal to sine 1. Okay, everyone, let us see how to solve. Acha, this max means it will give us the maximum output. Okay. Acha, everyone, what is f of 0? F of 0 is equal to maximum of 1 plus sine 0, comma 1, comma 1 minus cos 0. Tell me, which one is the maximum among these three values? Tell me, which one is the maximum? Tell me, 1 plus sine 0 is maximum, 1 is maximum, or 1 minus cos 0 is maximum? Tell me.
The sine 0 is 0 only, so I think 1 is the maximum.
1 is the maximum. So f of 0 is equal to 1. Now let us find out what is g of f of 0. G of f of 0 is equal to g of 1. G of 1 will be equal to maximum of 1, comma mod of 1 minus 1. Tell me, what is it giving us? Tell me. 1. So yes, g of f of 0 is equal to 1. Hence answer is option A. Option A is the correct option. Now can anyone tell me option B is correct or not? Raise your hand. Can anyone tell me option B is correct or not? G of f of 1 is equal to 1. Tell me. Have you people understood option A? Memel, Devang, Raktim,
Yes, sir.
Onrini, Sokrit, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So somebody tell me whether option B is correct or not. Then I'll show you how to draw the graph of this function.
Sir, I think for option D, f
Raise,
of 0
raise,
0.
raise, raise,
Okay.
raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between. Yes, Socrates, tell me.
Sir, when we put g of 0, so that means g is
First,
maximum of 1 and minus 1's modular. So g of 0 is 1 only.
so option B is correct or not?
No, so it won't be correct because in f of 1, the maximum value will be 1 plus sine 1, not just sine 1.
Okay. So option B is correct or not? No.
So you were asking about option B or option D?
B for Bombay.
I said for D. Sorry, sir.
Acha, D. Acha, so anyways, if you have said for D, D is not correct. Acha, tell me, somebody tell me for B for Bombay. Raise your hand. Tell me whether option B is correct or not. If you have understood the max function. Yes, Raktim, tell me.
Yes, it is correct.
Option B is
Correct.
correct. Only tell me option B is correct or not.
Yes, sir, correct.
Correct. Memel?
Sir, correct.
Correct only. Okay, because you'll get f of 1 as mod of 1 comma 0. Sorry. No. F of 1 is mod of 1 plus sine 1, comma 1, comma 1 minus cos 1. So 1 plus sine 1 will be greater. And g of f of 1 will be equal to g of 1 plus sine 1, which will give us mod of 1 comma 1 plus sine 1 minus 1. So mod, max of 1 comma mod of 1 minus 1 sine 1 minus 1. So mod of sine 1. So this will give us 1 only. Hence the answer option B is also correct. Somebody tell me option C is correct or not. Raise your hand. Tell me. What do you think? Option C is correct or not? Raise your hand. Yes, Socrates, tell me.
No, sir, not correct.
C is not correct. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Sarthak, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll show you how we can draw the graph of this function. Pay attention, everyone. How we can draw the graph. And drawing the graph is very important. You see PYQs, how many questions come from max and mean functions? It will be helpful in differentiability also. Drawing the graph of f of x and defining it piecewise. Pay attention, everyone. So everyone, first of all, I'm going to draw. Acha, I'm drawing the graph of f of x. You people draw the graph of g of x and send it to me by tonight. Okay, everyone. Oh no, not tonight. By tomorrow, you send it to me. Okay. So what is 1 plus sine x? 1 plus sine x will look somewhat like this. Acha, this is y equal to 1. Wait. This is y equal to 1. And this is y equal to 2. Okay. 1 plus sine x will look somewhat like this. Okay, I'm just drawing from 0 to 2 pi. I'm drawing some of the part of the graph. Pay attention. Right, everyone, this is 1 plus sine x. Okay, are you people getting? Yes or no? Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to draw the graph of 1 minus cos x. Okay, 1 minus cos x means cos x will be negative and it will be shifted upwards. Cos x will be negative, but it will be shifted upwards. Okay, I'm drawing it. Pay attention. If you are unable to understand, let me know. I'll explain. This is 1 minus cos x.
Sir, can you mark the values on the x-axis also? It will be easier to understand.
Mark the what values?
Values on the x-axis like pi by 2.
Okay, wait. Let me draw it once. Okay, then I'm marking. This is the graph of what 1 minus cos x, right? Are you people able to? If you are unable to understand, tell me. I'll explain. Okay. So I'm marking some of the values. This is 0. Okay. This is pi by 2. This is pi. Okay, this is 3 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. This is 2 pi plus pi by 2. That is how much? 5 pi by 2 and so on. Is it clear, everyone? And I'm going to draw the graph of y equal to 1. Y equal to 1, everyone knows, right? The dotted line. So see everyone, I'm going to mark the max function. Okay, the max function will look somewhat like this. Okay, so from 0 to pi by 2, you see the max is 1 plus sine x. This green portion is the max function, everyone. Okay. Oh, wait, sorry. This green portion is the max function. Whichever graph is above, it will return that value. Tell me, has everyone understood the graph of max function? Yes or no?
Yes.
Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. I'll explain. Okay, so I have a question for you people. Tell me, what is the coordinates of this point? Tell me. I mean, at what value of x? Just tell me the value of x. Tell me. Where are they meeting? Over here. Very simple, very easy. If you are unable to tell me, yes, raise your hand. Tell me. Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between. Yeah, Devang, tell me.
So 3 pi by
3
4.
pi by 4 is absolutely correct. Right, everyone? Tell me. Pi by 2 plus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Is anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Okay, so how to define it piecewise, everyone? Pay attention. F of x will be equal to 1 plus sine x when x belongs to 0, comma 3 pi by 4. Right, everyone? Tell me. Between 0 to 3 pi by 4, it is 1 plus sine x branch. Then it is 1 minus cos x branch up to 3 pi by, no, up to I guess 3 pi by 2. Up to 3 pi by 2. So it will be equal to 1 minus cos x from for x belongs to 3 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2. Okay. And it is equal to 1 when x belongs to 3 pi by 2, comma 2 pi. Is it clear to everyone? Those who are online, tell me. Has everyone understood? Socrates, Sarthak, Devang, Memel, Onrini, tell me.
Yes.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Okay.
Yes.
If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, next. Okay, note difference between difference between uniformly and non-uniformly defined functions. Uniformly and non-uniformly defined functions. Difference between uniformly and non-uniformly defined functions. Pay attention. Okay. First of all, uniformly defined functions means it will be uniformly defined throughout the domain. Okay. Uniformly defined functions. Okay. Like f of x equal to x. It's uniformly defined function. Or g of x equal to 2x plus 7. All these are uniformly defined functions. Okay. Here f and g are uniformly defined, are uniformly defined throughout the domain, throughout the domain. Next, non-uniformly defined functions, non-uniformly defined functions like f of x equal to f of x equal to 1 plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 2, and is equal to 3 minus x if x is greater than or equal to 2, greater than 2, but less than or equal to 3. Okay. Means see, it is not uniformly defined throughout the domain 0 to 3. Okay. From 0 to 2, it has a different definition. From 2 to 3, it has a different definition. Okay.
So,
Now let us
sir,
see.
um,
Hmm.
sir, non-uniformly defined functions have multiple branches.
Yes, it has multiple branches. Like for example, y equal to fractional part of x, right? That is also non-uniformly defined functions. Another
Mm,
example
yes.
I'll tell you, we have done it in ITF if you people remember. Y equal to tan inverse tan x, right? Do you remember? This was periodic. Okay, it has multiple branches. It had tan inverse tan x, sin inverse sin x, cos inverse cos x. Right. I hope you people remember because functions and ITF test will be taken together. You people have to revise ITF also. Note. Okay. First of all, composite of non-uniformly defined functions. How do we take? Pay attention. This is very important. Composite of non-uniformly defined functions. How do we take the composite? Okay. For example, f of x equal to 1 plus x if x lies between 0 and 2, and it is equal to 3 minus x if x lies between 2 to 3. Okay, everyone. Find f of f. Pay attention, everyone. How to take the composite. Hello, Shomita, are you back?
Sir,
Yes, Sonini, tell me.
sir, I've sent you the graph of g of x. Can you check once?
Oh, you have sent it.
Yes, sir. Sir, the green
Yes,
one.
yes. Yes, yes, yes. You are correct. You are correct.
Okay, sir.
Other others also, you people have to send me the graph by tomorrow. Okay. Next, composite of non-uniformly defined functions. Over here, f of x has two options, everyone. F of x has two options. One is 1 plus x, another one is 3 minus x. Pay attention, everyone. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to 1 plus f of x. Over here, it will be divided into two branches. When f of x lies between 0 and 2, and it will be equal to 3 minus f of x when f of x lies between 2 to 3. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people getting? Okay, next. So what is f of x? It will have two branches, everyone. Okay, first of all, we can use the option 1 plus x. When can I use the option 1 plus x? Pay attention. When x belongs to, when x belongs to 0 to 2, intersection f of x, that is 1 plus x, is greater than 0 to 2, sorry, 1 plus x is greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 2. Tell me, did you people understand? Yes or no? If you have not understood, tell me. I'll explain again. Everyone has understood? Tell me, Devank, is it clear? Devank, Raktim, Memel, Onini, Sarthak, Shamita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, when can I use the option 3 minus x? When x is greater than 2, but less than or equal to 3. Intersection f of x was 3 minus x. 3 minus x is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next, now moving on to the second branch. It will be 3 minus of 1 plus x. When can I use this? When x is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 2. Intersection f of x, that is 1 plus x, is greater than 2, but less than or equal to 3. Next, lastly, 3 minus of 3 minus x. When? When x is greater than or equal to 2, less than or equal to, sorry, greater than 2, less than or equal to 3. Intersection 3 minus x is greater than 2, but less than or equal to 3. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. I'll explain. Tell me. Okay, so we have to simplify, everyone. Okay, let us simplify. This implies f of x is equal to 1 plus 1 plus x will be equal to 2 plus x. Okay, can anyone tell me the intersection? Raise your hand. What is the intersection of these two inequalities? Raise your hand. Tell me. Anyone tell me what is the intersection? Raise your hands quickly. Yes, Raktim, tell me. Where does x belongs to?
So 0, comma 1.
Correct. Where x belongs to close 0, comma 1. Next, the second branch will be 4 minus x. Can anyone tell me what is the branch? I mean, where does x belongs to? Raise your hand. Anyone tell me what is the intersection? Intersection of
2,
these two inequalities. Raise your hand. Yes, authority, tell me.
2 open, 3 closed.
2 open, 3 closed. Next branch is 2 minus x. When x belongs to what? Tell me. Raise your hand. Yes, authority, tell me.
1 open, 2 closed.
1 open, 2 closed. Last one. Last one is x. Where? Raise your hand. Tell me. Anyone tell me?
No, no intersection is coming, I think. Check it once.
So x belongs to 5. Null set. Fourth branch is not
Yes,
valid.
x belongs to 5. Yes, yes.
Yes, tell me. Are you people getting? Tell me. Shomita, Raktim, Devank, Onini, Sarthok. Tell me, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. This is method 1. Okay, everyone. Method 1 of taking composite. I have I have method 2 also for you people. Okay, pay attention. Method 2. Using graphs. What you do is you draw the graph of the function. Okay. You draw the graph of f of x. Okay. Draw the graph of f of x. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to 1 plus x when x belongs to 0, comma 2. So this is the graph of f of x from 0, comma 2. Okay. Let us divide it. This is the line y equal to 3. This is the line y equal to 2. Okay. And this is the line y equal to 1. Okay. Next. And this is nothing but 2. Let us do some markings. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Okay. From 2 to 3, what is it? 3 minus x. So it will look somewhat like this. Are you people getting? This is how it is going to look like. Okay. This is the graph of f of x. Okay, everyone? Now, everyone, what is f of x? Just write it once. F of x will be equal to 1 plus f of x when f of x belongs to 0 to 2, and it will be equal to 3 minus f of x when f of x is greater than 2 but less than or equal to 3. Okay. Now everyone pay attention. What will happen when if f of x belongs to 0 to 2? What will happen if f of x belongs to 0 to 2? Pay attention. If f of x belongs to 0 to 2, then can I say that x belongs to 0 to 1 and 2 to 3? Tell me, are you people getting? If f of x belongs to 0 to 2, then can I say that x belongs to 0 to 1 and 2 to 3? Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. This implies
Yes.
x belongs to 0, comma 1. Union open, 2 to 3 closed. Tell me, are you people getting? And finally, if f of x belongs to open 2 to 3 closed, this implies x belongs to, where does x belongs to? Look at the graph. 1 to 2, open 1 to 2 closed. Okay. So for the first case, there will be 2 branches. For the second case, there will be 1 branch. Okay. Therefore, f of x is equal to, for the first case, from 0 to 1, which branch we should take? 1 plus x. So it will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus x when x belongs to 0 to 1. It will be equal to 1 plus 3 minus x. 1 plus 3 minus x when x belongs to 2 to 3. And lastly, it will belong to 3 minus 3. Sorry. F of x belongs to 2 comma 3. Na? Then x belongs to 1 comma 2. Okay. In x belongs to 1 comma 2, what is the branch? Branch is 1 plus x. So substitute. It will be 3 minus of 1 plus x when x belongs to 1 comma 2. Tell me. Are we getting the same result? Tell me, everyone. Are we getting the same result? Okay. So has everyone understood with the help of graphs? Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Has everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me. Memel,
Yes,
Sarthak,
sir.
Sokrit,
Mm,
Devang.
Yes, sir.
Sokrit, are you there?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Next. So you people also do one problem. Okay. Question number, I don't know. Question number 5, I guess. Question number 5. You people try this out. Question number 5. F of x is equal to 1 minus x cube for x less than 0 and x square minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. Find f of g of x where g of x is equal to x minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 and x plus 1 whole to the power half over here when x is less than 0 and over here when x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Number 2. Question number 6. Let f comma g maps to n f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 when n is even, where capital N is a set of natural numbers and g of x is equal to n minus of minus 1 whole to the power n. Then f of g is option A 1 1 and on 2, f of g of x is equal to 1 1 and on 2, option B 1 1 into, option C many 1 into, and into, option D many 1 on 2. Okay, solve. Quickly solve, everyone. Yes, let me see. Somebody has sent the answer. Okay. So number 5. Yes, number 5, Shokrohit, your answer is correct. Wait a minute. Yes, Shokrohit, your answer is correct. Number 5. Let me see. Devank. Devank, your answer is correct. Okay, Shokrohit, 6 is also correct. Email 6, you are asking me or telling me?
Sir, telling.
Okay, then it is correct. Okay, Onini, check number 6. Raktim, check number 6. Raktim, check number 5 also. Okay, everyone, I'm solving 5. Hello, Sarthak, are you there?
Yes, sir. Try 5.
Sarthak, are you doing something else also behind the screen?
No, sir. I was
Then
like
why?
stuck in some question 5.
Which question 5? Question 5 is easy only. You have to find out f of g of x, right? Over here,
Yes.
we have to find out f of g of x, isn't it? Tell me. Okay, let us do it with the help of graphs. F of g of x will be equal to 1 minus g cube when g of x is less than 0 and g square
Yes.
minus 1 when g of x is greater than 0. Right, tell me.
Sir, greater than
Are you
equal to
getting
me?
greater than or equal to 0? Okay. So how will the graph look like of g of x? G of x is equal to x minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Since the power is less than 1, on the right hand side, can I say that the graph will look somewhat like this? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Next. On the left hand side, it is x plus 1 whole to the power half. Okay. When x is less than 0. So when x is less than, Acha, wait a minute. When x is less than 0, this is how the graph is going to look like. Okay.
Yes.
And when x is greater than or equal to 0, this is how the graph is going to look like. X plus 1 whole to the power half. Tell me, are you people getting? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me.
Sir, can you show the sixth question once?
Yes. Are you people able to understand the graph? Tell me. If you are having any doubt, tell me. Okay. So g of x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. That means you have to use the first branch. Okay. What are you getting? So f of g of x. Raktim, tell me. F of g of x will be equal to 1 minus x minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 whole cubed. Right. When x is less than 0. And this will be equal to x plus 1 whole to the power half whole square minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. Tell me. Shomita, are you getting? Raktim, are you getting? Memel, tell me. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
This will become 1 minus x. 1 minus of x minus 1. Okay. When x is less than 0, it will be equal to x plus 1 minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. So finally, what are you getting? You are going to get 2 minus x when x is less than 0. And this will be equal to what? X is getting cancelled. No, this is 1. So x when x is greater than or equal to 0. Tell me, Sarthak, is it clear? Or should I
Yes,
explain?
sir.
Okay. Okay. Quickly solve number 6. Those who have solved number 6, I am writing number 7 also. Question number 7. If f of x equal to e to the power x minus x and g of x is equal to x cube, wait a minute, g of x equal to x square minus x. Okay. For all x belongs to real. In which interval? In which interval f of g of x is increasing? Okay, this is the last one. Okay, question number 7. Okay, next number 6 I'm solving. Pay attention.
So
Okay,
can you say question
so
number
f
7 just
of
once? I'll take a picture of it.
wait, I'm copying it. Then I'm moving downwards. Fn is equal to n minus of minus 1 whole to the power n. Pay attention, everyone. Number 6. This is number 6. Solution to number 6. Pay attention, everyone. So first of all, f of n is already defined piecewise. I'm going to define g of n also piecewise. So g of n will be equal to n plus 1 when n is odd, and it will be equal to n minus 1 when n is even. Right, tell me. Sarthak, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Raktim, are you getting this? So if n is odd, g of n is odd or even? Tell me.
G of n is even.
G of n is even. And if n is even,
It's odd.
G of n
Or
is odd.
fine. Odd. Remember this part. It's very important when we are going to take the composite. So f of g of n will be equal to f of n plus 1 when n is odd. Right, everyone, tell me. F of g of n will be equal to f of n plus 1 when n is odd, and it will be equal to f of n minus 1 when n is even. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Why did I write f of n plus 1? Pay attention. Why did I use the first branch? Because see, over here, n was odd, right? Over here, n was odd. Okay. So for the first branch, for n is odd, you will see that whenever n is odd, I have to take the first branch of G. And whenever n is even, I have to take the second branch of G. Tell me. Sarthak, Memel, Onini, Raktim, are people
Yes,
getting?
sir.
Okay. Now if n is odd, n plus 1 is even. So which branch of n should we choose? Tell me.
second.
Sarthak, second branch, right? So this will be equal to n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd. And last one, g of f of n minus 1. We have to use the first branch. So n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 when n is even, which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd, and n by 2 if n is even. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. So you can understand that if n is even, what is the range? Range is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is coming. And if n is odd, what is the range? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is coming. So of course it is many one, right? Of course, the function is many one and into also. Sorry, onto. Is it clear, Raktim, Devank, Memel, Sarthak? Is it clear?
Yes.
Shamita, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Last one, quickly solve everyone. Last one, number 7. Okay, everyone, I'm going to solve number 7.
Sir, I've sent
Okay,
you.
Sokrit, your answer is, what have you written in the second brackets? Last one.
Infinity. 1 comma infinity.
Hmm, Hard to recognize. Yes, it is correct. Okay, let us start, everyone. F of g of x is increasing. Okay, pay attention. Number 7. Okay, what is written? F of g of x. So what is f of g of x? Acha, everyone pay attention. Let us say h of x is equal to f of g of x. Okay, everyone. I'm going to differentiate because if the derivative is greater than 0, then only the function is increasing. Okay, so what is h dash x? H dash x will be equal to f dash g of x. First of all, I'm going to differentiate with respect to g of x multiplied by g dash x. Are you people getting? Yes or no? So let us find out what is f dash x. F dash x will be equal to e to the power x minus 1. So f dash of g of x is equal to f dash of g of x is x square minus x. So substitute x square minus x. This will be equal to e to the power x square minus x minus 1. Tell me, if there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, next. What is g dash x? G dash x is equal to 2x minus 1. So h dash x will be equal to e to the power x square minus x. Tell me, Memel, Raktim, Devang, or Nini and Sarthak, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Into 2x minus 1. Over here, what is the critical point? Tell me. Start telling me the critical
0 and
points,
1.
everyone.
0, 1, and for the second bracket, only 1 by 2.
0, 1, and then half, isn't it? Tell me. How will the wavy curve look like? Right, tell me. you are unable to understand, you can ask me. Therefore, I can say h dash x is greater than 0 for x belongs to 0 to half, union 1 to infinity. Right, tell me. Shamita, Onrini, Raktim, Memel, Devang, Sarthak, are you people getting?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, f of g of x is increasing in this interval. So tell me, anyone having any doubt till now? Is there anyone having any doubt? Tell me,
No,
Sarthak, you
sir.
have any doubt till now?
No.
Okay. So I think everyone, we can keep it till now. Tomorrow again, we are going to continue from 9 o'clock. Okay. Thank you, everyone, and good night. Okay, and keep revising. Next class will again continue.
So
Keep practicing.
tomorrow's class is till 12.
Which one?
Sir, is tomorrow's class till 12 from
Yes.
9?
Yes. 9 to
Okay,
12.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank